how to create Didi account. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'd learn how you can create Didi account. So creating a Didi account is straightforward. Whether you are looking to ride or to drive, watch this video to the end so that you can learn the steps required. The first step is to log in, is to download the application just like I have done here. Then click on open to launch the app. So by clicking on open, you will be brought to the apps interface where um where you would see the DD logo on the screen, and then you wait for the page to load. Now once that's loaded, you can see a prompt asking you to provide permission notification. If you want, so you can click on agree, but then you can click on not now. I'll select not now, and then click allow all of those permissions, and then the next thing to do will be to enter in your number. Or you can just decide to log in using Facebook or Google. For me, I'll make use of Google. Then click on agree and continue, and wait for the page to load as well. So once that's loaded, all of your Google accounts will be displayed. So you go ahead and select the Google account that you'd like to register with Didi. So for me, I've selected the one that I would like to use, and then the next thing to do is to wait for the next stage. So the next thing that you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to enter in your mobile number. Now this page is not being displayed on my screen. That is why it is showing a black screen, because of security purposes. All right. So after entering in your number, a verification code will be sent to the number, and then after entering the verification code, you'll be brought to this page automatically. Now I'm sorry that I could not show you vividly. It's because Didi does not support screen sharing details like phone number, password, and all of that. And so it was displaying a black screen, and I had to go ahead. And so once you're done, you can see that you'll be brought to this page. So you can enable locations services by clicking on enable in settings, and then click agree. Then your location settings you'll be taken to your app info page, and then on this page click on permissions. All right, and then click on location, then select allow only while using the app, and then your location permission has been set and your app is ready to be used. All right, so that is it. This is how you can create an account on Didi. Thanks for watching and have a good day.